So these are the tools that you need to change the gun from cut pal to loop pal. Everything is included in the box, you'll only have to prepare a plier. So let's quickly run through the steps that we'll be doing. First of all, you'll need to loosen up the top bar, and then loosen up the bottom bar by unscrewing the nut at the front. Third step is to loosen up the cut pal needle at the top, scissors from the bottom. After we've removed all the cut pal components, we'll go ahead and put on the loop tongue and also put on the loop needle. And now let's get started. Start by unscrewing the nut at the front of the top bar. Place all the hardware aside. You'll need to put them back in sequence later. The same thing for the bottom bar. Also remove the hardware and place them aside in sequence. At this point, you'll be able to move these two parts freely. And now let's loosen up the needle. Your needle is loose, but you won't be able to remove it yet. You'll need to remove the scissors from the bottom first before you'll be able to push the needle out. Now loosen up this part and turn it outwards. And now you'll be able to unscrew this little screw here easily and remove the scissors. The easiest way to take out the scissors is to move this piece all the way back and pull out the scissors with your screwdriver. And now you'll want to remove the pusher by loosening up this bolt with a plier. You'll be able to pull the pusher out very easily. And now let's proceed to remove the last component, which is the needle. Push the screw from the top and use a screwdriver to pull it out from the bottom. Now you'll be able to remove the needle very easily. After all the cut pal components have been removed, we're now ready to put on the loop pal components. Start by installing the loop tongue. Take out a Phillips screw from the pouch and use it to attach the loop tongue to the gun. At this point, we're not adjusting the pal height first. We'll show you how to do it at the end of the video. To install the needle, you need a longer screw. Push the loop needle in and fasten the screw. Now move this part all the way back and tighten the screw. We will only need this for cut pal gun and it doesn't serve any purpose for loop pal. After putting on the needle and the loop tongue, you'll have to reattach the top bar and bottom bar. Now all that's left to do is to adjust the pile height. Loop pile height is basically determined by the distance between the loop tongue and the foot. This is the screw you'll need to adjust to change the loop pile height. Just move it to the front if you want your loop pile to be higher, and push it to the back if you want your loop pile to be shorter. And we're done! Changing from a cut pile to loop pile is really as simple as changing the pile height. So enjoy and have fun with your tufting gun.